Hello everyone, this is Maria Clark. I hope your new year is off to a wonderful start. Today I would like to share with you a quick customer service mantra that I follow. Here is my customer service mantra. It is important that a customer has a sense that you are willing and able to help them. Each call must start with the proper tone of voice and in a manner that the customer is confident that you are the correct person to handle their call. I empathize with the customer by listening closely to them explain their situation or request without interruption. If needed, I will also allow them to vent their frustrations and knowing never to take anything personally. I will paraphrase what the customer has said to confirm that I fully understand the request and to apologize for any inconvenience while also acknowledging any frustrations a situation may have caused them. I will assure the customer that I will do everything that I can to assist them with their situation or request. Before I end each call, I will ask the customer if I have assisted them completely and if there is anything else that I may do for them. These are basic precepts, but it's always a good reminder. Since 2017, I have pursued projects that would allow me to hone my skills that I can offer to expand the division of Zuva Virtual. For customer service phone work, this includes inbound, outbound calls, chat, and email. I have had the opportunity to work with various companies such as T-Tech, Colony Brands, Live Ops, Allstate, AmTrust, CVS Caremark, Cologuard, Aetna, and I'm currently working on my certification with TurboTax. Zuva Virtual is a sister company to Zuva Marketing. We offer contract business and administrative services to companies on a virtual basis. Originally, the primary focus of the virtual services were offered to other ad agencies that required short-term virtual freelance help with advertising, marketing, public relations, and accounts payable vendor invoice administration. Throughout the years, Zuva Marketing has received many requests from individual companies and organizations requesting assistance with short-term projects or help with their day-to-day business and administrative activities. Zuva Virtual is an opportunity to expand our services to all companies that need business and administrative duties. The job functions range from assistance with event planning, essential accounts receivable, accounts payable, accounting functions, outbound, inbound customer service calls, customer service email and chat, and data entry. Just as Zuva Marketing uses the talents of many outside contract workers, so does Zuva Virtual when needed. Being virtual for these services will allow us to keep our overhead down and fees at a competitive rate. No job is too small, so don't be afraid to ask. We see that as a way to get acquainted. We're looking forward to adding you to the list of happy customers. Thank you for listening, and as always, be kind.